Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a check scanner works, step by step. A check scanner is a banking device that changes a paper check into a digital image and readable data, so banks can process payments faster, more safely, and with less manual work. First, the check is inserted into the feeder slot of the scanner. The customer or bank staff places the check properly, usually with the front side facing up, so the machine can begin scanning it correctly. Next, the check moves inside the scanner with the help of rollers. These rollers guide the check smoothly through the machine, while sensors detect its size, position, and movement. As a result, the check stays straight and properly aligned during the scanning process. After that, the image capture process begins. High-resolution cameras and light sensors take clear images of both the front and back sides of the check. This is important because the bank needs to see details such as the payee name, amount, date, signature, and endorsement information. Then, the scanner reads the MICR line printed at the bottom of the check. MICR means magnetic ink character recognition. This line contains important banking details such as the routing number, account number, and check number. Because this information is printed with special magnetic ink, the scanner can read it quickly and accurately. After reading the MICR line, the system extracts the check data. Recognition software reads printed or handwritten information such as the date, amount, and payee name. This helps convert the check's written details into digital information that can be used by the bank's processing system. Moreover, the scanner performs verification and security checks. It checks whether the image is clear, whether the check is positioned correctly, and whether there are any errors. At the same time, the system may help detect possible fraud, duplicate scans, or suspicious check details. Once the check is verified, the scanned image and extracted data are securely transmitted to the bank's processing system. This transmission is usually encrypted, which means the check information is protected while it travels through the banking network. Finally, the bank stores the digital check record securely. After successful capture, the check is ready for the clearing process. In this way, a check scanner helps banks process checks faster, reduce paperwork, improve accuracy, and keep payment records safe. So, in simple words, a check scanner works by taking a paper check, aligning it, capturing images, reading MICR details, extracting data, checking security, sending the information digitally, and storing it for bank processing. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.